Most people get this wrong when they judge QuickBooks Online. They either call it too expensive without understanding it, or they assume it's only for big companies. But here's the truth no one tells you. QuickBooks Online is not just accounting software. It's a full financial system, and whether it's worth the price depends completely on how you use it. In this video, you'll learn what QuickBooks Online actually offers in 2026, who it's best for, where it becomes overpriced, and whether you should choose it or skip it. This matters because small business tools are getting more expensive, and choosing the wrong one can drain your budget fast. Let's start simple. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting platform used to track income, expenses, invoices, taxes, and payroll. If you are a freelancer like Alex, a small business owner like Jake, or running a growing online store, it basically acts like your financial dashboard. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest reason people stay with QuickBooks is automation. It can connect to your bank account, track transactions automatically, and even categorize expenses. That saves time every single week. But here's the problem. If you don't use those features, you're basically paying premium money for basic bookkeeping. Pricing in 2026 is another major factor. QuickBooks Online has multiple tiers, and the cost increases as you add payroll, advanced reporting, or multiple users. For a solo user, the entry plan may feel manageable. But as your business grows, the price can jump significantly. So is it worth it? Let's break it down clearly. If you are handling invoices, taxes, or multiple clients, QuickBooks Online is very powerful, and often worth the cost because it reduces manual work. But if you only need basic expense tracking, simpler tools might do the job at a lower price. Here's a real-world example. John runs a small freelance design business. Before QuickBooks, he spent hours every month sorting receipts. After switching, he automated most of it and cut his admin time in half. For him, the price made sense. But another user who only had a few transactions per month found it unnecessary and switched to a cheaper app. Now here's the key takeaway. QuickBooks Online is not expensive if you use its full system. It becomes expensive when you don't. So before you subscribe, ask yourself one question. Do you want basic tracking or a full financial management system? To wrap it up, QuickBooks Online in 2026 is still one of the most powerful accounting tools available. But it is not for everyone. The value depends on how serious you are about managing your finances efficiently. If this helped, like the video, drop a comment with your experience using accounting tools, and subscribe for more simple, honest breakdowns like this.